Hello everyone! Wow, it's been quite a long time since I've gone for some travels. I took a nice little break, living in London, doing the London things, started streaming on Twitch, check it out in the description, but today, I'm going all the way to Barcelona. I've actually never been to España, never been to Spain, so I'm really excited to get that ticked off my list. Let's head to Barcelona. I like that that's the slogan, Britain's busiest railway station, like, hooray, have a fun time.
It's not a good thing.
No, it's no. I love Clapham.
You'll be most stressed here. Oh my god.
I really love this airline slogan, just, we love places. It's very, very specific. So do you want to explain where we're going?
We're going to Barcelona.
Why?
Because Hostel World have invited me out there to promote hostels.
And I am the +1 today, isn't that is lovely. It
Free
is nice.
trips, Evan's always taking me everywhere, so
Yeah.
I thought.
I've also, if you've been watching my travel channel for a while, went to Australia in November and that was the Hostel World, good company. Excited to test out the hostels in Barcelona. But if you're flying out of the EU, you can get alcohol for super cheap. A liter of vodka, £11. Would you like a purse?
Yes, please.
Yeah, let's go get some. So our flight is delayed. I guess it's just me. I feel like every flight I'm on is delayed at one point. Is it targeted? Possibly. I don't know what Luke's doing, but for some reason he's laying on the floor over there. Thank you. Evan's fueling review initially. It's not enough legroom, but it's not as bad as it could be. We've got tall guy problems here, but I can deal with it, I think. It's not that long a flight.
It's your fault being so tall.
Yes. I shouldn't have been born this way.
Lucky boy, we got some turbulence right after I pulled some teeth.
Estamos atravesando un área de turbulencia. Por favor, permanezcan sentados con el...
How was your flight? Rated out of 10.
I slept and Evan whispered German to me.
I have to read my book out loud, so it helps my pronunciation. I probably should be reading a Spanish book, Don Quixote or something.
I want to get them gains, bro!
I don't need gains. Except in my views. If you guys could subscribe and watch all of it, thank you. So I just spent 10 minutes looking for my bag and we found it right here.
With pants on it.
Well, no, they're underwear, but there's just someone's dirty underwear. Thank you, Vueling. Thank you, Barcelona Airport. Just gonna... That's gross. Alright, so we've got a warm welcome. That's nice.
You mean a warm welcome?
Joke.
Aw.
Because it's poopy. Hey Luke, I'm hungry. Do you want candy?
No, I want candy.
It is 1:45 a.m. Great. Thanks, Barcelona. Gracias. Every time I try and think of the right Spanish word to use, which I was taught all growing up, just the German comes out. I'm so now getting my mind into the only language I know besides English is German. The Spanish is gone. It's very sad. Mi casa es su casa. I thought it was su casa. I mean, I guess we're informal here. Let there be light.
That's a big boy.
Oh, you know, this is the smallest hostel I've ever stayed in.
That's a big boy.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. You know what? I think we'll just skip forward to when it's daytime. Hey, look at that. We got a nice looking view. All right, Luke, we're late. Let's go get some breakfast. Well, I slept in a little bit, thanks to Luke for waking us up so we had the last 5 minutes of breakfast. Got myself a little croissant, a little brötchen. So the first location we're going to go to today is a place called the Sagrada Familia, which is a big old church. It looks pretty. Barcelona's known for its architecture. I don't know what else except like tapas. What do you know, Luke?
Tapas.
So we're walking along this standard road in Barcelona and Luke steps on a fresh orange that has dropped from an orange tree. They're all orange trees. There's like real oranges. This is so cool. That is a Disney park attraction. What is that? I've now made it to the Sagrada Familia. It costs 30 euros to go in, which is weird because I thought, you know, who wants money in a church? I read the Bible. Anyway, where are we gonna go?
I'm gonna get you a bottle of water.
Gonna get me a bottle of agua, alright, and then we're gonna go to a park, well known, same architect, really pretty architecture with mosaics and stuff. Anyway, that's pretty, worth the sight. It's kind of pretty freaking amazing. It's weird that they have a weird sculpture of Jesus with a block for a head. I heard it's unfinished, but I thought maybe Jesus' face would have been a top priority. These are the lovely houses you can get in Barcelona for cheaper than London. We have this lovely terraced house with a pool overlooking everything, less than the cheapest house in London. We also have 250,000 euro for 3-story, what?
5-bedroom house.
Why do we live in London? All right, where have you chosen?
Restaurant, vegetarian world, India.
You got it there eventually. Oh, that's very nice. Thanks. Our vegan Indian has arrived. I hope you're happy.
I'm vegan Indian.
Yeah, there we go. So the queue is until 7 p.m. for that lovely little mosaic place. So instead, we're going to a giant hilltop.
This vlog is just going to be us trying to get into things and then they're all closed.
That's Barcelona. What did Barcelona say to the rest of Spain?
Hello.
They said hola, they're not English. I'm going to Catalonia, good economy.
What did Spain say to Barcelona?
What did it say?
It said, don't leave or you'll be a Barcelona.
Oh! No! I think everyone here is just really Madrid us.
Oh my gosh.
Barcelona has horrible zombie cactuses. Good riddance. After hiking far too many stairs, we have now made it to the top of all of Barcelona. Wow, can you believe we were literally over there about 2 hours ago? Did you know that people in Spain that love bread have their own sexuality? They're all pansexual?
Okay, yeah, it's fine.
Okay, that's it. That's done. I'm done. I'm done with the fun. Let's go on in. You're a vegetable rice dish.
What?
You're quinoa.
You're quinoa.
You're quinoa. So, the review of the train. If I had to grade it, I'd give it a no.
I'd give it a 2 out of 10.
Hey. After walking over 10 miles through Barcelona, Luke and I are a bit exhausted. Just a bit. Alright. Leave me at Barcelona. You made that joke earlier. I just stole it. I think we're gonna call it an early night today and fast forward to tomorrow. Wow, it is sunny now the next day, but according to the weather app, it's only gonna be sunny for another 2 hours. I really gotta take advantage of this. I got some bad luck when it comes to Barcelona. Supposedly it never rains, except when I come. I'm gonna go out and get a micro SD card, because right now my drone has no memory card, because I'm an idiot and I forgot to pack it. There's so much pretty architecture, even just on my walk to the mall. These buildings across the street. What? Why? Why are they so pretty? They're like ridiculously just ornate. What? Alright, we're gonna try and see if this place has some micro SD cards. The Media Markt. Your boy got one. It was like double the price that you can get on Amazon, but when you need a memory card, you know, you gotta get those shots for that drone. The weird thing about Barcelona is there's loads of pedestrian only like walkways, like the one I'm on, except it's not pedestrian only. There's also cars coming somewhat, but there's like no road signs, so they just kind of drive wherever they want. It's confusing. I mean, it doesn't feel unsafe, but I'm also like, I would never drive here. This is not a place I'd feel comfortable driving. This is a restaurant. That's just a standard restaurant. Beautiful, beautiful. What the heck is this? We're heading into the Gothic Quarter. I feel like no matter what side street I go down, it's going to be really pretty and really narrow. One nice thing I've noticed about Barcelona that I haven't noticed in any other European city I've been to is the amount of green. There's so many trees all over every street. Like, especially if you look at it from a drone shot, which I haven't done yet. It's very green. Even just this road, just trees, 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 trees. You can't see this in London. We've kind of chopped everything down. It's just the way a city should be. I finally found the Luke. Hello. I had to like find him with the drone, and then I found him. And there he is. Good. Time to get some tapas. So we're looking for some vegetarian options for the tapas, and we've stopped by St. Joseph La Boqueria. Let's see. It looks like a cool little street market. Luke and I have stopped by a popular grocery store chain in Barcelona called Carrefour to get some Euro wine. My friend Alex on Instagram was like, there's wine here for €1. We found some for €2.23, which seems so cheap, but I feel like in Spain they know how to make their wine, so it's still gonna be good. And here we found some €1 wine. The price of €1 gets me this. I hope it's good. Oh my god, they have speculoos flavored cheesecake. I need to get this ice cream after our dinner. How does one dunk coffee? You've ruined my favorite donut brand, Spain. So after walking around La Rambla for what feels like over an hour, Luke and I have finally found a place for tapas. What are you gonna get, Luke?
Tapas.
Oh, that's just great. Look, we got like the street right here. It's really cute. So we can like sit, get a little glass of sangria. The guy was like, oh, I'm sorry, this is German, not English. And I was like, no, it's good. That's good for me, yeah.
Is it in German?
I've got a German menu.
Whoa!
In Spain. So yeah, I'm gonna order my tapas, which is German for tapas. We just ordered some sangria, and I expected like a wine glass full, but Barcelona doesn't mess around, folks. That's why I got the German menu. Okay, it's a lot of sangria. Ah, gracias. That's a lot of paella. Oh, the seafood paella. Whew. Nice.
Enjoy.
Thank you. All right, we finished eating. It started raining. We're gonna get on the train. Let's head back to the hostel. Finally back in the hostel, and we've just realized that in order to open our €1 wine, we need a corkscrew, and I just don't feel like going downstairs to get one. So we're gonna have it tomorrow for breakfast, as all Spaniards do. Wine for breakfast. Breakfast of champions. Let's skip to tomorrow. And what are we doing today, Luke? We gotta do something.
We're going to the beach.
Let's go get away. Well, we wanted to go to that mosaic place, but the queue is just so long. You have to wake up super early, and we didn't do that. So we'll have to come back to Barcelona for the mosaics. So there's a lot of stuff to do in Barcelona, not necessarily just the cool mosaic type stuff. So I'm gonna take Luke on a walk straight to the beach, and on the way we're gonna pass loads of really beautiful architecture for a little Insta tour. Let's go. How's the ginger skin? How's the ginger skin? So first stop on our tour is La Pedrera. We're not going in because it costs €22, and you know what? Everything in this town is so expensive just to see, but there's a lot of free stuff, so we're gonna do all the free stuff today. How much does it cost to do something in Barcelona?
€20 every time.
Right, every time, every single thing. If you look up, what should I do in Barcelona? Guess what, it's gonna be €20. If it's like, oh, I'd like this 1 cup of what? €20.
€20.
You wanna go say hi to someone?
€20.
That's it. No, every single tourist attraction, basically €20. Can't do anything else.
Stop talking to your camera, €20.
Next up on our tour of free things to do in Barcelona, the plant wall. The wall of plants. It's just an Instagrammable looking wall. Wow, Luke, I found a store that has your Instagram. Why is that zebra wearing a crop top? I have so many questions, Barca. Are you my mommy? Are you my mommy? Never, not once, not ever. Nope, not happening. Made it to the beach. What's funny is a lot of people in Barcelona are wearing winter coats because it is cold for them. It's quite nice for me. After a nice, relaxing, slightly a bit too breezy lay on the beach, it's time to go get some nice vegan burgers at a burger place called Cat's Bar Cat. Sadly, not a cat's bar.
It has no cats.
No cats. That looks so good, the vegan burger right there. Yum, yum, yum. After our delicious vegan burger, we've made it all the way to the Arc de Triomphe. It's not how I remember. I remember it being a bit more French, but yeah, there it is. I didn't know there was an Arc de Triomphe in Barcelona. There's one in Paris, there's also one here. Goodbye, hostel. I am so exhausted, my legs hurt. We've not gotten a train all day, we've just been walking. Got like 10 miles under ourselves today. It's time to head back to the airport and say goodbye to this very pretty city. Hopefully I get to come back when it's a bit warm. So here's an airport life hack. If you ever are met with a queue like that one that's just insane, and you're late to the airport, as you are all the time because you're me, here's a tip. You don't have to wait in the queue. People are always like, what if there's a queue and you miss the flight? Not happening. You just go to someone at the staff and say, hey, I'm late, and they go, okay, go to a different queue. We just go to 402. It's for last minutes, and there we go.
Perfect.
Perfect. We don't have to wait in any queue. We just skip right to that. That's how you do it. That was, what was that, less than a minute?
So easy.
That queue was like an hour and a half long, so there you go. Never wait in a queue in the airport ever again. Thanks to Evan. Boom. Wow, this is a big airport. Look how pretty it is. Look how, wow. Big ass, that's a big ceiling. Thank you.
Hello.
Look what just happened.
The plane lost power.
Oh no. Can't believe it. We're flying still.
No, we're not.
Don't, we just
don't clickbait. You don't need to use that much.
I need them, please.
No, you don't.
This has never happened before.
Oh my god.
It's got darker. One light is brighter than the other. Just like me and you. Now made it back to my home. I still gotta try that €1 wine. I'm very excited about that. We never got to try it, but I'll probably try that tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching the travel trip from Barcelona. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a really fun trip. Thanks to Hostile World for sending me and Luke. I'm gonna go stream some Fortnite right now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next adventure, probably Florida. See you then. Bye.
Oh no, Evan, the corn, no.
And that's what you get with €1 wine. That is smooth.
It's actually really smooth. It has none of the kind of like, of wine. It's just quite sweet and nice.
Like, I was not expecting it to go down so nicely. It tastes like juice. It's 11%. Thumbs up in my book. Go to Spain, get €1 wine.